Today it has been almost 8 days since the war between Iran, Israel, and the United States begins. The United States is acting aggressively toward Iran, while Israel is carrying out attacks in Lebanon. The same person associated with the Epstein files keeps threatening Iran to surrender and bomb or feeling on ordinary Iran civilians. This is the same America that has not been able to fully control Cuba for 18 years, yet it, yet it talks about bringing Iran under control. The same to forget that Iran was built by its own people, not by outsider. If one Iranis dies, 10 more will rise. This is not Venezuela, this is Iran. When Donald Trump said that the United States win in Venezuela can also be done in Iran, it shows one of three things. Either is out of touch, does understand global reality, or is simple trying to cover a failing situation. Even someone with basic understanding can tell that Iran is not Venezuela. Has been preparing for this kind of confliction for the last 45 years. If United States has built military bases across the Middle East, Iran has also developed its own networks of allies and proxies throughout the region. If America has a powerful arsenal, Iran also has enough military capability to cause serious damage before being defeated. And while the United States has nuclear weapons, there are also claimed and sufficient that Iran may possess or be close to developing significant strategic capability. Trump should understand that the same techniques used elsewhere cannot simply to apply to Iran. If it were that easy, they would have already tried sending special force like the Delta Force as did in other places. The reality is that such actions in Iran could lead to severe consequences. Instead of acting aggressively, the issue with Iran should have been handled with more careful diplomacy. Otherwise, the casualty and stability could spread for billion the Middle East. Do people really believe that such a conflict would remain limited to that region and never reach their own countries? If ordinary Iranian civilians are killed, there is also the risk that retaliation and violence could spread globally. Major cities around the world could face stability if this war does not stop soon and missile intercepts start running out, the level of casualty could become so large that even military censorship would not be able to fight the license. And the appears that Trump has been dragged into this confrontation by political pressure and the alliance, and even if he understands the risk is still trying to project stress while the situation continues to deteriorate.